There's no shame in the at-home haircutting game, whether you are trying to cut corners and save cash on those barbershop visits. You don't need anything fancy beyond a half-inch D buzz cut. Heck, some of us simply get sick of having long hair and want to do the ceremonial mowing down at home. I've been there a few times and relish those memories. Regardless of your need, the best men's clippers keep things simple. And no matter how frequently you reach for them, they get the job done for you. There are many products available to choose hair clippers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best hair clippers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best hair clipper overall. Wahl Professional Cordless Magic Clip. I've recommended the Wahl Magic Clip countless times, so awarding it the top spot here was a done deal. It was also the most recommended product by our barbers, who told me that it's strong enough to manage every hair type. However, it's also great for precision blending, too. My tester Andre Gill, who has coarse hair and sensitive skin, was also impressed. He appreciated how easy it was to shape his beard with the clipper, and told me that the range of guards let him pick the length I wanted nicely. It is the lightest, easiest on the wrist clipper he's used in his 2 decades of cutting hair. The quality of Wahl blades makes his products the most bang for your buck, and those blades often stay sharp for longer. Motor. Rotary. Battery life. 100 minutes. Guards and attachments. 8 guard attachments. Number 2. Best less expensive hair clipper. Wahl Color Pro Complete Hair Cutting Kit. For a more affordable option that will satisfy anyone in need of a quick cut, allow me to point you toward the inexpensive Wahl Color Pro. Even though this clipper is on the cheaper end of Wahl's product line, Barber David Kim of the Electric Barbering Company in New Jersey says, "You're always going to get a professional product from the brand, and this one is no exception." The Bear Guard clip has an adjustable lever to give you slight variance in your base, which also makes it easy to do some fancy tapering at the perimeter. Between its 1/16 light green clip and the light blue 1-inch clip, the device has a terrific range of length options, with especially sturdy guards that do not have any give, meaning you always get consistent results. Cutting lengths: 0.5 to 25 mm. Charge time: 6 hours. Runtime: 2 hours. Zero gap. No. Warranty: 5 years. Number 3. Best easy-to-use hair clipper. Philips Norelco Flex and Pivot Multi-Purpose Trimmer. Philips Norelco is another favorite brand of mine. You'll find plenty of its products in my grooming roundups. Its multi-purpose trimmer is particularly handy, though, as it's one of those devices that can be used as both a clipper and a beard trimmer. Biragani, who generally keeps his hair on the shorter side, told us he's used this trimmer both to cut and style it for about 8 years now, praising its ability to get the job done as fast as possible, whether he's trimming hair, sideburns, or beard. The clipper comes with 3 beard trimming guards, a stubble trimming guard, and 3 hair cutting guards, 3/8 inch, a ½ inch, and 5/8 inch. Cordless, motor, rotary. Battery life: 60 minutes. Guards and attachments: 3 hair cutting guards plus 7 more beard and shaving attachments. Number 4. Best professional hair clippers. Babyliss Pro Barberology Zone Clipper. I have come to think of Babyliss Pro as the barbershop favorite, seeing that it's got a fervent fandom among the experts I tap for their wisdom. The Babyliss Pro holds a generous 90-minute runtime and travels fairly easily. But I don't think it's the best option for any run-of-the-mill buzz cut. Instead, it's for the guy who wants things like skin-tight zero gaps, the best graduated tapers possible, and the most trophy-like grooming device on God's green earth. And for what it's worth, the Barberology Zone Clipper is also available in other colors, like silver, black and rose gold. Just be sure you're buying one with guard attachments, or buy them separately if it's just a clipper body you're buying. Tested charge time: 4 hours. Tested runtime: 1.5 hours. Weight: 10.7 ounces. Clipper links included. +5 Deaton taper controls. Zero gap possible. Yes. Warranty: 2 years. Number 5. Best men's hair trimmer for lineups. Andis Slimline Pro Trimmer. This is technically a trimmer, not a clipper, but it belongs on this roundup because of its superb ability to draw clean lines everywhere. It's a barber favorite for those lineups, neckline cleanups, and its natural ability to trim at zero gap length with minimal skin risk compared to other zero gapping devices. If you regularly line yourself up at home, or if you want to draw clean cheek lines, necklines, sideburns, and beyond, then absolutely invest in the Andis Slimline Pro. Cutting lengths: 0 to 3/8. Charge time: 2.5 hours. Runtime: 2 hours. Zero gap. Yes. Warranty: 1 year. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.